Listen and read.
A. Acquire, benefit, coast, encourage, heritage, landscape, property, value, free of charge. B. To acquire a habit, to acquire a reputation, to acquire an ability. The business was acquired 4 years ago. This is the way children acquire languages. Any drug user is at risk to acquire AIDS. Benefit. To receive a benefit, a potential benefit, for somebody's benefit, to have the benefit of something, to be of benefit to somebody. Plenty of sunshine is one of the benefits of living in Greece. That was done for the benefit of the poor. He has had the benefit of the best education money can buy. Coast. The eastern coast. To be on the coast. Along the coast. We saw a lot of fishing boats moving off the coast. Plenty of hotels are situated along the coast. To encourage. To encourage people. To be encouraged by the news. The teacher encouraged his pupils to try and write poems. When you encourage people, you let them know that what they are doing is good. When you discourage them, you do the opposite. Heritage. A country's heritage is all the features, traditions of life there that have continued over many years and have been passed on from one generation to another. The historic building is as much part of our heritage as the paintings. Landscape. 1. Beautiful winter landscapes. A striking landscape. We moved further to a new landscape of hills and valleys. 2. A landscape painting. That was definitely one of Paul Gunn's most recent landscapes. Property. 1. Personal property, intellectual property, stolen property, acquired property. These books are my personal property. 2. James is a rich property owner. The sign said, "Private property, keep out." Value. The value of something. To rise, drop in value. To be of great, no value. These papers are of no value to you. Free of charge. Companies sometimes let you have certain things free of charge.